Hi everyone, it is inspection day here in Sacramento at the Alternator shop, and we're going to take a quick look around and see what this auction has to offer. It's perfect for anybody who has an auto body shop or is a mechanic, does work on the side. So let's take a walk around and take a look. Thank you. This place is tiny but packed with all kinds of tools and equipment. And this is the Alternator shop. It performed a bunch of rebuilt. They basically just specialize in rebuilding alternators and generators and starters, all kinds of stuff. But as you can see, it is jam-packed full of stuff. And since I am not a mechanic, I cannot tell you exactly what is all in here. And we even have some musical instruments. He was a collector. And then we have some Mardi Gras CDs. And there is a refrigerator in this auction also, a big arbor press. And then shelves and shelves of parts. Try to give you a good little sneak peek. It's a little cramped in here to walk around and show everything, but I'll do my best. And then there's a bunch of manuals and books, a bunch of starters and generators and alternators, and then more parts, shelving and shelving of parts. We do have the diagnostic machine, the Sun. More rows of equipment. There we are. And there's another side view of the arbor press. And let's go take a peek through the little area. We've got some more equipment in here. Got a drill press, a workbench, a dry blast. Oops. And then we have a lathe, which is pretty cool. I love lathes. And we've got some hand tools and some more tools on here. And then we have this collection of vinyl records, LPs, and some cassettes. And it looks like there's some more parts down there. And then let's go take a peek outside. There's some stuff out there. And we've got a bunch of rebuilt items in here. I'm telling you, if you're a mechanic, this is the auction for you. Some welding equipment. And more shelving, more parts. And then we do have a scrubber. And then a tumbler If I can get back far enough so you guys can see it. There we go. Not quite, there we go. There's the focus. And let's take a peek outside. And looks like we've got some shopping carts, some racks, and some PVC pipes. And looks like we have a truck bed full of parts, a ladder, and I think that's about it back here. We'll swing back in here and take one more round. Get a look. And today is preview day, inspection day, however you like to phrase it. And we are here until 4 p.m. today. If you want to know more about this auction, just go to hughesmanauction.com. You can find out details and start bidding and view the catalog. All right, I think that's about it. Thank you guys for viewing this auction with us, and we'll catch you next time. Thank you.